Hello there everyone, this is Jadelis Medina from Scoreinc.com, the proven credit repair industry leader. Today we will be covering how to change a consumer from active to hold. Under customer view, we're going to select the consumer we're going to be working on. We're going to scroll down, go to the processing status, and change it from active to on hold. And now we're going to click Save. Really important that every time you change a processing status or a processing type, you click Save. Okay, so as soon as we click Save and the changes are saved, we're going to scroll down to the internal notes, click on Timestamp, and now we're going to leave a note advising that the status was changed. And we're going to click Save. If you want to advise Score's production assistant, you can click Timestamp, enter the same note, status changed to on hold, and select Support and click Save and Email. This way you have notified Score's production assistant so that the case will not be assigned. And you have now successfully changed the processing status from active to on hold. Thank you very much for being with us today. And remember that if you have any questions, you can go to Scoreinc.com and join our live chat. You can follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter.